Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to install Zorin OS 18 on VMware Workstation. If you want to test Linux without replacing Windows, using a virtual machine is one of the safest and easiest ways to try it. Zorin OS is a modern Linux operating system designed for Windows users. It looks clean, runs smoothly, and works great even on lower-end computers. In this tutorial, we'll download Zorin OS, create a new virtual machine in VMware, configure the settings, and install Zorin OS 18 completely. First, open your browser and visit zorin.com. Download the Zorin OS Core Edition. This free version includes everything most users need. If you have any problems downloading the file, you can choose an alternate download server here for a faster or more reliable download. After downloading the ISO file, open VMware Workstation. Click Create a new virtual machine. Choose Typical Installation, then click Next. Select Installer Disk Image File ISO. Then browse and select the Zorin OS ISO file you downloaded earlier. Click Next. For the operating system type, VMware may automatically detect Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. If not, manually select Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. Click Next. Now enter a name for your virtual machine, like Zorin OS. Choose the location where you want to save the virtual machine files, then click Next. Next, choose the virtual disk size. Around 30 to 60 gigabytes is recommended for comfortable use. You can keep Store Virtual Disk as a single file selected, then click Next. For smoother performance, increase the memory if your computer has enough RAM. You can also increase processor cores for better speed. Now click Close, then Finish. Now click Power on this virtual machine. Zorin OS will start loading. After a few moments, you'll see the welcome screen. Select Try or Install Zorin OS. Once the desktop appears, you can test Zorin OS without installing it by selecting Try Zorin OS. To install it permanently, click Install Zorin OS. Select your keyboard layout and continue. You can also enable third-party software support for graphics and media formats. Click Continue. Now choose Erase Disk and install Zorin OS. Don't worry, this only erases the virtual disk inside VMware, not your real Windows installation. Click Install now. Select your time zone and continue. Now create your username and password. Click Continue. The installation process will now begin. While waiting, you'll see some of the best Zorin OS features. One of the biggest advantages is the Windows-like interface. The taskbar and start menu feel familiar for Windows users. Zorin OS is also lightweight and optimized for speed, making it perfect for older hardware and virtual machines. You also get built-in apps for browsing, office work, videos, music, and more. And because it's Linux-based, you get better privacy, fewer background processes, and no forced Windows updates. Once installation is complete, click Restart Now. Press Enter when asked to remove installation media. After rebooting, log into your new Zorin OS desktop. First, open Start menu and go to Settings. Open Display Settings and change the screen resolution to match your monitor for the best display quality. Next, go back and open Appearance Settings. You can change the desktop layout to look more like Windows 10 or Windows 11. You can also switch between light mode and dark mode themes. If you want desktop icons like Windows, enable desktop icons from the same settings page. Now open the Start menu again and search for Windows App Support. This feature allows you to run many Windows applications on Zorin OS. Simply right-click on any Windows setup file like exe or MSI, then select Install Windows Application. This makes Zorin OS much easier for Windows users moving to Linux. And that's it. You successfully installed Zorin OS 18 on VMware Workstation. Now you can safely test Linux, explore apps, and learn the system without changing your main Windows installation. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more VMware, Linux, and Windows tutorials.